Quit playing with the trash. Dump. Hey, come on.
Well, you've seen her out here, right?
Yeah. Honey, you're going to have to really free yourself from this trapeze act here. Go way ahead, honey. Come on. You're lucky I got submarine training. I can still dance. Come on. Let's go. Let's go herd some birds. She's trying to walk right under my feet.
She will, yeah. You have to be careful.
Well, I can still dance. Come on. She wants to go. Oh, look, we're American doggies. Oh, how wonderful. We know that silly Lee Greenwood song and everything, don't we? Yes. Come on. Oh, you don't like that collar, huh? Well, where are they going? Go. Catch up. Oh, wait. We got a post problem.
Oh, he's peeing. He's peeing. What a good boy.
Here, I gotta let that go. Well, I gotta get it untangled. Oh, he's coming back through. Oh, now we're really gonna put the Navy training to work. We'll sometimes some nuts. Okay, that's enough for part 1.